What is up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to be doing a speed test between a Redmi Note 10 Pro versus Samsung F41. Now F41, if you guys know, has Exynos 9611 versus Snapdragon 732G on Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Now both of these phones have 6 gigs of storage. There is a 4 GB variant of the Samsung as well, but I've got the 6 GB variant. I'll be showing that once it boots up. So yeah, let's quickly get on with the test, and as always we'll be starting with the boot up test. Here we go, 3 2 1. Let's see what happens. I've also done the speed test comparison between Redmi Note 10 Pro versus Redmi Note 9 Pro. Make sure you check that out as well. Let's see, Samsung Galaxy F41. I should have made this video actually earlier, but anyways, let's see MIUI versus Samsung UI, and both phones taking some time. And just like that, Redmi Note 10 Pro quick to boot up. Let's quickly set this up and get started. So as you guys can see, 6 gigs on the Redmi Note 10 Pro, and also on the Samsung you can see 128 gigs of internal storage. Now the 128 has 6 gigs of RAM. There is no 4 GB variant that comes with 128 gigs of storage. And starting with settings, very close. Let's open a few apps, starting with, let's see, with Netflix. Here we go. Okay, so Samsung seems to be opening this a little bit faster than the Redmi Note 10 Pro. And we got Cred. Now clearly you can see that Redmi Note 10 Pro this time proving to be a little bit on the faster side. Next up we got some social apps, starting with Instagram. And again, so this was very close, but felt like Samsung opened it just a little quicker than the Redmi Note 10 Pro. Next we got Facebook. Again, same difference. You can see that proving to be a little faster Samsung. Let's try with Twitter. Okay, so this actually felt a little bit faster on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. And finally we got LinkedIn. Redmi Note 10 Pro opening LinkedIn a little bit faster. So that's pretty much it guys. Let's try with few games, starting with Smash It. Let's see, Redmi Note 10 Pro. You can see the difference is quite noticeable here. And next up we got Subway Surfers. Here we go. Now this is where I kind of expect Redmi Note 10 Pro to be faster, and once again you can see that Redmi Note 10 Pro actually opening this third-party apps, especially games, faster. Let's keep this in the RAM, we'll check that out later. And let's finally open guys the Dead Trigger. This is a heavy game. Let's see, 3 2 1. And this was very close. Maybe 10 Pro opened it faster than the Samsung F41. And yeah guys, that is pretty much it for the gamings. Let's quickly connect to the same Wi-Fi network and open few shopping apps, starting with first up Amazon. Okay, it opened on the Samsung F41, but you can see it loaded on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. You can see opened on Samsung but loaded on Redmi. Next we got Flipkart. Okay, so this one opened and also loaded faster on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. And finally we got Myntra. Again, same result, no difference at all. So yeah, Redmi Note 10 Pro proving to be a little bit faster. Let's quickly check out the RAM management. Netflix in the RAM. Next we got Twitter, same result in the RAM. Facebook in the RAM as well. Smash It, okay, that's in the RAM. And let's check out with Subway Surfers. Same result in the RAM management proving out to be really good. Then we got dead trigger, it's again in the RAM. Flipkart in the RAM. Amazon, that was kind of refreshed on both. And yeah guys, that is pretty much it. Speed wise, I definitely feel that Redmi Note 10 Pro proving out to be faster if you compare it with the Samsung F41 Exynos 9611. And I've been using the Redmi Note 10 Pro. It's really fast phone. Also has that 120 hertz gigs 120 hertz display, so that makes it feel a little bit faster as well. And yeah guys, that's pretty much it. And if you like the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, and I'll catch you guys in my next video guys. As always, like, subscribe, share, and peace out.